I'm really excited about exploring the possibilities that I might crack the volcano omelette. I've been hatching a plan by watching other videos on how this is done. I don't have chopsticks, as you can see, so I'm making do with some wooden spoons. We've got off to a bad start because I think probably the pan is not hot enough. I thought it was quite hot, but it's not working, and this is not looking very hopeful. I will try. I was going to try and not to crack any more egg jokes, but I will tell you too. Do you know what goes with egg jokes? Coffee puns. For a whole latte laughs. Wow, 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 wow. I'm sorry. Okay. What's an egg's favourite type of coffee? Egg espresso. Sorry, I think I might have exhausted the yolks. Anyway, back to this failing attempt to do a volcano omelette, and now I'm just drawing faces in the omelette. It has completely blown up. This looks like Krakatoa after the volcano there exploded and blew up half the island, which was really a devastating eruption. And here you have it, my first attempt at a volcano omelette. Yeah, I don't think that's going to help. Well, this is absolutely rubbish. There we have it. 2 blown up volcanoes. It's a different take on it.